LV so random, you know what I'm saying? You feel it? But this video, alright, this is like behind the back but with no bounce. Like, let me show you real quick. Like that. And to be honest, I'm gonna show y'all how to do it real quick. You feel me? So first things first, when you do that move, like, don't carry it like this. Don't do that. You gotta like push it over. Like, just try to like bing. You know what I'm saying? But look. When you do it, you just start off with one step, right? And then you throw it behind your back and you go the way. So, one step behind the back, other way. And let me do a different view for y'all. Oh, I kind of messed up. But let me show y'all a few ways, a few tips you can practice how. Alright, so first tip, since it's like this, you can keep doing this. Like, keep spinning your arm, trying to throw the ball to the other side. Do it with your left hand too. You know, and when you're pretty soon you get good enough where you can run and do it. You know, keep your head up while you do it. And just try not to carry. That's really all I gotta say. But LV so random. You feel? You know what I'm saying? That's how you do the little behind the back, no bounce thing. So, peace.